It's black and white.
Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to quickly change the battery in a Subaru key. So this is the key for my Subaru Impreza. That's a non-contact key. So I'll show you how to quickly change the battery, and in this particular key you would use CR2032 batteries. I just got them off eBay. They're fairly inexpensive. It's like $2 something cents Australian dollars. I'll leave the link in the description just for it to be handy for you. Otherwise you can go do your own search. If you don't have the same key as this one, then it's pretty obvious. You look around for other tutorials on YouTube, and I'm pretty sure there'll be a tutorial out there for you. But if you have a key like this one, so you're in luck. So all you have to do is you're going to look at this silver button at the back. You want to press it and you want to pull the key out. So here we go. So you got your key out, so just press it and then you pull it out. And while we're there, and then you want to have a look inside here. So in here, this is where we need to insert our key, and then we're going to twist it. So what we need to do is we're going to find the little spot there, if you can, and then we want to twist the key. See if you can see it right there, and that's where we are going to separate it. And here we are, as you can see, it's separating. So that's the backing of it, and here is the battery. Now all you can do is you can just push it out, and you can leave the buttons right there, and here is the actual module. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna rip one of these batteries, take out the new battery, this on side, and we are going to remove this battery out. I just gotta figure out how to do it because I've never done this battery before. Hold on a sec. Okay, so all you have to do is basically see these little two tiny black dots there. So we're gonna have to just pull them back slowly, get your finger behind the battery, and then push them sort of back simultaneously and lift the battery up. See, it's just lifted up. We're gonna take the old one out, and here is our new battery, and we're just gonna slip it in, and we're just gonna push it in, and that's pretty much it. And then we just got that replaced, and now we are going to pop it in here. Hang on, I think that could be the wrong way, like this. Yeah, that's why I went. So I just gotta make sure it's in the right spot. Here we are, and then we're just gonna get the back cover. Gonna start at the top, basically working backwards. So we're gonna start this way, and then I'm just gonna click it in, and we're just gonna get a key. Where it is, down here, and oops, it's a little trickier than I thought. And there we go, battery replaced. This is how you replace a battery in a Subaru Key. See ya.